A few weeks ago, news surfaced about a possible slim variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This variant was reported to feature a slimmer body, a larger screen, and no S Pen support, with a planned release in the October-December period. Recently, speculation arose that the rumored slim variant might actually be a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra intended for the Chinese market, rather than a separate third variant. According to tipster Ice Universe, this is not the case. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim appears to be an additional variant of Samsung's upcoming flagship foldable, indeed lacking S Pen support. This model is expected to launch in China in October, branded as the Samsung W25. It's currently unclear whether Samsung plans to release the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim outside of China. Releasing a China-exclusive model may be a strategic move by Samsung to compete with Chinese foldable phones. Omitting S Pen support could be a cost-saving measure to make the W25 more competitively priced. However, the W25 reportedly features a titanium frame, raising questions about why Samsung wouldn't retain S Pen support. Samsung is set to release a new premium smartwatch this year, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, aimed at competing with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Tipster Ice Universe shared a couple of images on China's Weibo social media site, showcasing the Galaxy Watch Ultra in two colors. One image displays the watch in dark gray, while the other shows it in silver. Both models feature a prominently orange digital crown slash button, which stands out conspicuously. If the Galaxy Watch Ultra includes a digital crown, it would mark a departure for Samsung, which has previously utilized a rotating physical bezel or a virtual bezel for navigation. If the orange digital crown is actually a button, it might be named the Quick Button, intended for rapid task execution. The watch itself features a round dial set on a square base. According to an exclusive report from Android Headlines, both the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will feature a new pentacore Exynos chip built with 3M technology. They will each have 32 gigs of internal storage, as previously reported. Additionally, both models will include dual-frequency L1 plus L5 GPS, enhancing accuracy for outdoor activities like cycling and running. The Galaxy Watch 7 will come in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, while the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will be available in a single 47mm size. The OLED screen on the Galaxy Watch 7 boasts a peak brightness of 2000 nits, similar to the Galaxy Watch 6, whereas the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra screen will reach a peak brightness of 3000 nits. In terms of design and durability, the Galaxy Watch 7 will be offered in two colors, including green, and will feature an armor aluminum case. It will have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, 5 ATM pressure resistance, and MIL-STD 810H compliance. The battery capacity will be 300 mAh from the 40mm version and 425 mAh from the 44mm version. The Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will be available in three colors, including titanium gray. It will feature a Grade 4 titanium case, an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, and 10 ATM pressure resistance. It will also have three physical buttons, back, home, and quit button. The Ultra model will be powered by a 590 mAh battery. Both the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will come in Bluetooth and Bluetooth Plus LTE variants. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.